Today's video is about making money on YouTube. Now, the method I'll be showing you today works a little bit differently than what you normally see. Okay, you don't need a lot of subscribers. All right, you don't need to make your own videos. As a matter of fact, you don't even need to promote other people's products. Okay, that may sound crazy, but trust me, today's method is a great way for you to make money online. So if that sounds good to you, then stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money online with YouTube. All right. So with that being said, let's jump into my computer so we can get started. But before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. All right, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it. So as I mentioned a few minutes ago, this method will allow you to make money on YouTube without creating your own videos, without promoting other people's products, without having a large subscriber base, okay? You don't need to worry about getting those 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, anything like that, guys, okay? It's a great way for you to make money online with YouTube, okay? So, the first thing you need to do is sign up for a site called short.st, okay? What short.st will allow you to do is when you take a link and you use their website to shorten it, you get paid, okay? So, like I said, you create a link. When people click on this link, they'll see an ad, and it doesn't matter if they buy or not, okay? All they need to do is click on it. You earn money for every click, okay? Now, I've implemented this in some of my older YouTube videos, okay? And I'll show you real quick. These are the 3 videos that I've implemented this one. And just so you know, guys, when I created these videos, I only had about maybe about 7 or 8 subscribers. I don't have that many now, but I only had a few subscribers. And as you can see, this video right here, 20,000 views, right? 20,000 views. This one, 13,000 views, okay? 2,000 views. I didn't have a lot of subscribers at the time, all right? But I was using this method, and I'll go ahead and I'll click on the video just to show you. Let's go click on the edit. Okay, well, come on. Okay, so looking at it, guys, if you see this link right here, this is my shortened link, okay? If we go ahead and click on it, you'll see on the screen that you get this short little screen, all right? And a little countdown shows up, all right? And then you can skip this ad, all right? Ad is popped up, but then I go to this site. But in the background, and I'll show you on screen, when somebody clicks on that link, okay, even if they don't download the app or whatever the ad is about, you still get paid, okay? And that's what we're going to be focusing on in today's video, how to get paid without promoting somebody else's products or having a lot of subscribers or anything like that. We'll be focusing on just getting a video views and getting people to click on the link. And like I said, I'm not an affiliate for this program right here. By no means. I'm not an affiliate at all. It's just a link that I shared attached to the video, okay? And when they click on it, I get paid, okay? So, how are we going to get videos created that you don't necessarily have to create yourself, all right? Now, there's 2 ways that you can do this, and both of them are super simple, all right? So the first thing you want to do is find a viral video or something that you know a ton of people are going to watch, okay? So let's look up funny animal videos. Okay, it's YouTube already filled it in. Funny animal videos. Okay, and what you want to do, okay, and as you can see, these have like millions of views, 43 million, now tons and tons of views. Okay, so what you want to do is click on filter. All right, and you want to click on Creative Commons. All right. Now, these will give you the most popular videos under Creative Commons. As I've mentioned before, with Creative Commons videos, you're allowed to use these videos. You're allowed to download them. You're allowed to edit them. You're allowed to re-upload them. So what we're going to do is go through, okay, and we're going to download a few of these videos, okay? And what you want to do is you want to have a good video editor. And what we're going to do is just download them, flip a few of the clips around, and then you can re-upload those videos. Again, the Creative Commons, you have permission to actually do this, okay? So, that's your first option, all right? And the one thing I want to tell you about doing this is, it's not, again, you don't have to get the subscribers, okay? Once you re-upload the video, what you'll want to do is make sure you're using the right keywords. So like this one right here is cute pets and funny animals compilation, okay? Keywords, cute pets, funny animals. And then you have a bunch of tags here. And these tags are visible because I'm using a plugin called vidIQ. Okay, it's free to use. And what you can do is you'll see this little icon right here. This allows you to copy those tags. And when you re-upload your video, you can paste those tags in your description as well. Okay, it's all about keywords. All right, if we go back to my video, again, like I said, I only had 8 subscribers, right? You can see with a lot of these, I'm #1 ranking for this type of video, okay? My overall score is a 48, but for some of these, you see I ranked #9. For this one, I ranked #1. For this keyword, or this tag rather, I ranked #1. This one I ranked #7. So I ranked for some of these, and even with the very few subscribers that I had, I ranked for some of those tags and keywords, and people saw the video. And that's the most important thing, okay? When you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're ranking for the right tags and the right keywords. So even though you're copying those tags or whatever, you may want to switch them around or try some different ones. And again, you can use vidIQ. vidIQ will give you some recommendations that you can use, okay? And then when you upload your video, you want to use those tags so that you can get the views, all right? And then what you want to do, and what you could do is you could put a link to the original channel, all right? But instead of putting a direct link, you want to put that link through this site right here, short.st, all right? So that when people click on it, they'll see the ad first before they actually go back to YouTube or whatever other. You could link to somebody's store. You could link to anything. Somebody's store that has cute animal t-shirts, another YouTube channel, an Instagram account. It could be anything. You don't have to be affiliated or anything. It's just whatever link that you use, you want to put it through here first, and then you want to go ahead and post that link, that Getsy link that you get, so that when people click on that link, you'll get credit for it and you'll actually get paid. Okay. So that's your first option. Now, your second option is to use a site like getsamurai.com. Now, what this does is it uses smart AI and it uses Creative Commons material to put a video together for you. Now, I'm going to put it on the screen just to show you an example. I did a fitness video, all right, and I provided a script so I can have some text on the screen for this particular example, okay? But you don't have to do that. with this, you can just put in keywords like funny animals or something more specific, like funny dogs, funny cats, funny rabbits, something more specific. And this software will find all the Creative Commons videos and clips for you. Okay, it can even find the music. It can add the music for you. It'll do all of that for you. It'll put the video together for you. All you need to do is provide the right keywords. Okay, and then download the video and then upload it to YouTube, and then the same thing applies. Find another video in that particular niche, okay, and use their tags. All right, modify the tags a little bit if you're using vidIQ, or another one is TubeBuddy. They give you tag recommendations. Okay, use those tag recommendations, upload the video. Again, remember, you do want to have a link down there for them to click on something. It could be merch, somebody else's merch, t-shirts, or other videos. It's, like I said, Instagram accounts, Twitter, whatever the case may be. You just want to make sure that you use short.st to shorten the link. Okay, that way when they click on it, they see the ad and you get paid. All right, and it's as simple as that, guys. You don't need to have a large following. You don't need to be promoting other people's products. All right, it's just something simple. I've given you 2 ways to have content to put on your channel. And again, the only thing that you need to worry about is the keywords and the tags. And I've given you the tools to help you with that as well. All right. Something I forgot to mention earlier is that short.st does pay by PayPal. And I believe they do direct deposit as well. So if you have a bank account or you have a PayPal account, you can use that to cash out on what you earn. And short.st is available in multiple countries. So it's available to you guys that's outside the United States as well. All right. Again, I want to mention that using the Creative Commons is free and you won't get any penalties because it is Creative Commons content. You can use vidIQ for free. You can use TubeBuddy for free. If you choose to use Content Samurai to put together your content for you, it does have a 14-day free trial. All right, and I'll leave a link down below for that so you can get signed up. And trust me, within that 14 days, if you're using the right keywords, this thing can pump out tons of videos. There are no restrictions. You have full access to the program. All right, so you can pump out tons and tons of videos and have them ready to upload to your YouTube channel. All right, and all it takes is for you to do a little bit of research on some of the more popular niches and what people are watching. All right, and you can be on your way to making money online in no time. All right, so that's all I have for you guys in today's video. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button and share this out with anybody who you think may find this useful as well. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and I will catch you on the next video. Take care.